This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hamburger patties on the stove. First, select your ground beef, ideally with an 80-20 fat content for optimal taste. Gently form your patties to about 1 inch thick and 4 inches wide, creating a slight divot in the middle to prevent bulging. Season both sides well with salt and black pepper right before placing them in the pan. This timing is key for a great crust. Achieving the right pan temperature is essential for a beautiful sear. Use a heavy-bottomed skillet, preferably cast iron, for even heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or canola, to the cold pan. Heat this over medium-high heat until the oil shimmers gently, indicating it is hot enough to create that perfect crust without burning. Once your pan is properly heated, carefully place the seasoned patties into it, ensuring you do not overcrowd the skillet. Let the first side sear undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. This crucial step develops a rich, golden brown crust, locking in those savory juices. Resist the urge to press down on the patties, as this can squeeze out valuable moisture. After achieving a strong crust, gently flip each patty just once. Cook the second side for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, adjusting for your preferred doneness. For a medium-rare burger, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. For well done, target 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can add cheese during the last minute of cooking, letting it melt perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.